Experiencing login failures with your Lorex app? First, ensure you're using the correct login credentials. If you're locked out, reset your password via the Lorex website. Finally, clear the app's cache, as this often resolves login problems. For notification delays, verify that app permissions are enabled in your device's settings. On Android, disable battery optimization for the Lorex app to prevent the system from limiting notifications. For live view buffering issues, ensure a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection. Lorex recommends a minimum of 10 Mbps upload speed. The app now includes adaptive bitrate streaming to help with low bandwidth situations. If issues persist, update your camera's firmware and check your router's port configurations. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your issues, consider these advanced fixes. First, ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for your Lorex account to enhance security. If problems persist, check your router's port forwarding settings to allow local access to your cameras. The Lorex app is increasingly integrating with smart home ecosystems for voice-activated troubleshooting. Future trends include AI-powered anomaly detection to minimize false notifications and predictive maintenance for automatic diagnosis. Due to privacy concerns, Lorex is improving end-to-end encryption for secure data transmission. By 2027, expect VR and AR support for interactive troubleshooting tutorials. Finally, stay updated with the latest app versions and firmware updates, and ensure your system's software is up to date to avoid issues.